When I have a double, I count that number twice. It's two of the same, they really add up nice.
I'll use my fingers, starting out with one.
Let's double these numbers,
Math can sure be fun.
2 ones is a double, 1 and 1 is 2.
2 twos is a double,
2 and 2 is 4.
2 threes is a double,
3 and 3 is 6.
2 fours is a double,
4 and 4 is 8.
2 fives is a double,
5 and 5 is 10.
I put them together,
And now we've reached the end.